Poison ivy. What is it? How to beat it and stay itch-free. Hey there! Welcome back to Jilly B's Corner, where we learn about the world around us. Today we're going to tackle a tricky little plant that makes a big, itchy mess. Can you guess what it is? That's right, it's poison ivy. What does poison ivy look like? Poison ivy is sneaky. It can be a vine, a bush, or even just a little plant. But the big clue? It's 3 shiny green leaves. That's why we say, leaves of 3, let it be. The leaves are pointy and sometimes have jagged edges. In the spring, they're bright green. In the fall, they turn red or orange. So next time you go for a walk, hiking, or gardening, wear long sleeves and pants. Wash everything after outdoor adventures: clothes, shoes, tools, and pets. How does poison ivy make you itchy? Poison ivy has a sticky oil called urushiol. When you touch the plant, that oil gets on your skin, clothes, or even your pet's fur. So, urushiol is the itchy culprit. You don't have to touch the plant directly. If the oil is on your shoes or your dog, it can spread to you. Here's a fun fact. Once you wash the oil off, the rash can't spread anymore. So, why does it look like it's spreading? So, how does the rash so-called spread? Different skin areas react slower. For example, thick skin like your hands takes longer. Miss a spot? Urushiol can hide under fingernails or on clothes. So don't worry, when your blisters ooze, that doesn't spread the rash. What does the rash look like? If you touch poison ivy, you might see red, itchy bumps or blisters that ooze a little. The rash shows up 12 to 48 hours after contact. It can last 1 to 3 weeks. But don't worry, we're going to learn how to make it feel better. First, how to get rid of the oil and stop the itch. After the first contact, wash your skin right away. Use cool water and soap. The sooner, the better. Wash your clothes, shoes, and anything you touched. Treating the rash. Keep calm and soothe on. Here are a few tips. Don't scratch. It can make things worse. Calamine lotion helps dry the rash and stop itching. Hydrocortisone cream helps calm redness. Cool compresses or oatmeal baths feel so good. There are also a few home remedies you can make. First is a baking soda paste with baking soda and water mixed into a thick paste. Another easy one is blended oatmeal and water into a creamy lotion. Or you can mix aloe vera gel with coconut oil for a soothing salve. Dab any of these 3 remedies on the rash, let it dry, then after 15 minutes, you can rinse it off. This is great 2 to 3 times a day. Got soap? The best agents to get the urushiol oil off your skin are degreasing agents like Dawn or isopropyl alcohol, or powders like bentonite clay and charcoal that draw out oils and toxins from the skin. If you would like to make your own soap to keep handy, here is an easy formula. The ingredients include Castile soap, bentonite clay, witch hazel or rubbing alcohol, tea tree essential oil, lavender essential oil, and activated charcoal, if you would like to use that too. You can follow these simple directions for a soap that is ready within minutes. As a reminder, it is best to wash right after contact with poison ivy or before the rash appears. If you would like to make your own super poison ivy paste to help soothe your rash and promote healing, let's talk about a formula for that too. The ingredients you'll need are bentonite clay, apple cider vinegar, colloidal silver, lavender essential oil, and tea tree essential oil. Once you follow these simple directions, you'll have a paste within minutes that will last for a week in your refrigerator. Essential oils are great natural health aids to help clean your skin, soothe the itch, and promote healing. The top essential oils for poison ivy relief are the following: lavender oil to calm itchiness, reduce redness, and promote skin healing. Tea tree oil, which can reduce infection because it is antimicrobial. It also reduces swelling and itching. And peppermint oil provides a cooling sensation and helps numb itching. A quick tip with essential oils: always dilute them with a carrier oil like coconut, olive, or almond oil. Usually you can treat poison ivy at home, however there are some cases when you should call your doctor. If the rash is on your face, near your eyes, or very big, you may want to give them a call. Or if it is super itchy or not getting any better, a doctor may help with special medicine. Now, you know what poison ivy looks like, how it makes you itchy, and how to beat the rash. Always remember, leaves of 3, let it be. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tell your friends, so we can all stay itch-free and ready for adventure.